Hello everyone, welcome back again. And today our topic is HTTP protocol. How does it forward the data? And we are going to do this practical on the Wireshark, that how does the HTTP protocol forward the data in plain text. Okay, so how does basically the HTTP protocol works? This is my computer system, and this is the server on which my web page is available. So if I forward the data in HTTP format, what will happen? The data will be forwarded in plain text. This is my username and password. The same username and password will be forwarded to the internet, and the web pages will be opened up in the on my browser, but all the data will be forwarded in case of plain text. Okay. So HTTP protocol is used to transfer the hypertext request and information between the web browser and the web server. So let me go to the Google now, and we are going to do a login test. So how you can do that? You have to search HTTP login text on the Google. Okay, let me parallelly open the Wireshark to capture the packets, because in Wireshark we are going to capture the packet. Let me double click over my Wi-Fi. So my Wi-Fi data is will start forward, and we can able to capture the data forwarded on my Wi-Fi. Okay. Now let's go back to the HTTP login test. Now click on the first website, login test. So HTTP website will be shown in my screen. So here you can see that I'm going to put a username and password on this website. So any username and password I can provide, like Tech with Ravish. Okay. I'm going to use the same password, and let me try to log in now. So here we can see that we are logging in a website that is not secured. That is basically the HTTP website. So you can't able to see the security over here. HTTPS will be there if it will be forwarded. So it is showing that your connection is not secured. Okay, we are forwarding the data that is forwarded by the plain text. Okay, let me go to the Wireshark now and stop the capture of data, and let me try to search the HTTP over here, the packets forwarded with the HTTP for protocol. So click over here and let me put the search. So here you can see that these packets were forwarded by the HTTP protocols. Okay. So I have to see which website forward the data. So I will click over the login here. This one, the form I clicked over here as the post, and let me click over this data. Okay. So here we can see that my username and password is available over here. Okay, so on this packet I can able to see my username and password. So click over here. Here we can see that the data is forwarded in a plain text. Even my username is available over here. The password can be exposed over the internet. So that is why we don't use the HTTP protocol, because it exposes the data over the internet. So dear all, this was the demonstration of HTTP protocol, that how the HTTP protocol forward the insecure data over the internet. If you like the session, please like, comment or share. Have a nice day. Subscribe also.